the new Student Suite financial aid information. So you're going to start on the Lawson State homepage, and you'll scroll down till you get to the Student Suite login. Go to the login screen. You're going to enter your student number and then your PIN. And it's going to take us to the Student Suite page. Clear out the messages that are going to get in your way. And you'll notice that the Student Information Center, you're going to have to expand this menu. So we're going to go down to Financial Information, and we're going to expand that menu as well. And we're going to look at some of the choices here. We have View Receipts, Financial Aid Requirements, Payment, Financial Aid Status, 1098-T information, your financial aid verification, or viewing any payments that were made to you. So to start with, we're going to look at View Receipts. And if you'll notice, it gives you the option to look at all of your receipts, any receipts from today if you just made any payments, and then session receipts. Right now we're going to look at all receipts, and it's going to show 2 receipts for the student that were both posted in the summer semester, or beginning of fall semester actually, of 2010. And it shows that the student paid $13.19 and $20. So we're going to look at one of these receipts, and it shows that was a tuition payment, and it was paid by the web. And if you notice, the student can either select another receipt, or we can print that receipt. If you choose to print the receipt, then this is what you would take to the cashier's office so that you could either get your new student ID, get it validated, or pick up your parking decal for the fall term. We're going to go back to Financial Aid Requirements. We're going to choose a year. So we're going to look at 2012. We're going to view that selected year. And you'll notice that the student has no financial aid record requirements to display for 2012. If you had anything that you needed, those records would be listed here, and you would report to the financial aid office to check and see what you needed to do for them. We're going to look at payment. This will show the term that the payments were made, the date. It's going to give a description of the payments that were made, the amount, and then here, if you choose to pay these, this would show what you selected to pay and the remaining balance. So you have the options of recalculating by removing one of these. So we did that. We will recalculate, and it would show that there was a $1,500 remaining balance. We're going to put that back in and recalculate, and it clears it out. You can apply your financial aid, you can pay the selected charges, or you can print. So we're going to hit cancel, go back to the main, then we're going to look at the student's financial aid status. If you'll notice, the application status reads, "We have not yet received your application for financial aid. Please contact the financial aid office if you've submitted your application already." If you haven't already been to the website and done your financial aid application, and you get this message, then you do need to talk to financial aid to find out what's going on with your financial aid information. Unless you just filled it out. If it's been within 24 to 48 hours, give them a little time to get it processed. It has to be uploaded from the government site and then sent to our website. So if you just filled it out and click send, and then you log into your student suite, don't run over to financial aid, because they're not going to be able to tell you anything until the government has a chance to send the information to the college. If you look here, your 1098-T information, that might not mean anything to you right now, but when you go to do your taxes, you'll need this document. So you'll enter the year. This student doesn't show a 1098, but you should have one. That way, when you go to do your taxes, you'll print this out and take it to your tax preparer. There's a financial aid verification tab. And then view payments. There are no pay stubs available to this student to look at right now for any typical student, but if you had any payments, that's where they would show. So again, under the financial aid tab, you have the ability to review and print your receipts. You can look at your financial aid requirements. You can look at any payments that were made or make payments. You can look at your financial aid status. You can view your 1098-T information and print. You can do your financial aid verifications and view payments to you. I hope this has been helpful. We really are excited about the new sections in the Student Suite and the financial aid section in particular, because so many students will stand in line for no reason when they could have logged in and checked all their information here. And during registration, those lines get really long, and some of the new students don't know that they can just get online and find their information. So we're really excited about the changes to Student Suite and to the financial aid section in particular. So before you go stand in line at financial aid for no reason, log into Student Suite, check your status, and then you'll know if you need to go see them or not. Good luck and welcome to Lawson State.